Homeland, Sri Lanka's #1 most trusted and most innovative developer, proudly presents Homeland's Golf Classic for the second consecutive year in partnership with the prestigious Royal Colombo Golf Club. This tournament is more than just golf. It's about nurturing Sri Lankan sportsmanship, promoting an active lifestyle, and also, above all, bringing together communities through excellence, just like how Homelands does it as a real estate developer. So do stay tuned to find out more about the Homelands Golf Classic 2026 and of course the grand prize of it, which is a business class return air ticket to Malaysia along with a 5-star 5-day stay featuring a premier golfing experience. Stay tuned. I'm Aloka and you are living it with Pulse. Here with us is Mahela Jayawardena, Captain, Royal Colombo Golf Club, and of course the brand ambassador for Homelands as well. So Homelands Golf Classic for the past 2 years has been uniting sporting and corporate communities. How would you rate the drive so far?
It's been amazing. I think second year running, we had almost 300 people take part in the golf tournament, and it was a great event as well. I think Homeland, when they came last year, they just launched Pintara. Now they've launched Port City Boulevard. So it's amazing to see the growth of Homelands as well as for Royal Colombo Golf Club to be part of that as well.
Joining us now is Tharanga Gunasekara, Honorary Secretary for Marketing and Communication of the Royal Colombo Golf Club. Now tonight's extra special for you because you're the overall net winner of the Homelands Golf Classic 2026. Where do you see this partnership between Royal Colombo Golf Club and Homelands heading? How do you think this drive of this journey would be like, and what are your feelings tonight as well?
So I think what's important is that Homelands is also supporting us in growing golf. I think they've partnered us in numerous occasions. This is one of those occasions, and I'm really happy that a very reputed and trusted partner like Homelands is supporting this wonderful game.
And now we have with us Rishad Mansoor, Deputy Director Marketing for the Homelands Group. Now Homelands just successfully hosted the Golf Classic for the second consecutive year. How does this second swing at truly hosting this feel, and what does it truly represent for the company?
Golf is not just a sport, it is a lifestyle. And it's a lifestyle sport that is played with a lot of passion. And we saw real passion unfold over the last 2 days. And we've just celebrated 2 days of amazing golf. And Homelands is in the business of enriching and enhancing lifestyles.